You are singing, you open your mouth, and right there in front of everyone, nothing comes out. You try to sing high notes, and then your voice betrays you in front of everyone listening to you. It's so embarrassing. It's so somehow. And you feel like, will I ever know how to sing well? My name is Grace Ofoka from Graciedion Music and Vocal Institute, where we help singers to find their unique voice. And I'm going to help you to discover what is actually making you to crack on your high notes, to crack with your voice, and how we can fix it together. So stay with me till the end of this video so that I can help you, so that at the end you will write a comment for me and say, wow, your trick worked. Now I don't crack anymore. Are you ready? Let's get writing. Let me describe this. Have you ever experienced something like this? You are singing, everything is going well. Maybe you're singing with your choir members or with the chorus, and then all of a sudden the notes go up, like everybody's going to go high, and you open your mouth, it's cracking, or it sounds airy, like you're reaching for air, and it's really embarrassing. You're always finding that problem. When you're trying to sing high, it's just sounding somehow. My dear, everybody tells you, practice more. When you practice more, you will get it. Some people tell you, drink a lot of water. If you drink a lot of water, you start singing high notes well. They are not wrong, but they are not complete, because that is not the main problem why you can't reach high notes. When you sing, you cannot get into the high notes with ease. When you are even singing high notes, you are shouting, screaming on top of your voice just to sing the high notes. I'm going to show you how to fix it. And the problem is not all those things they are saying. It's not by just doing all those things. You need to understand this technique, and that is what we call passaggio. That's what the Italians call it. Passaggio. So I'm going to explain what passaggio is. Passaggio is that bridge between your chest voice and your head voice. Between your chest voice and your head voice. Your head voice is like, it resonates in your head. Your chest voice, it resonates in your chest. So when you're singing something, somewhere over the rainbow, I move from somewhere, somewhere. What did I do? I was able to understand that bridge from that chest to that head. Or we are moving from how was I able to slide into high, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up? It's understanding that passaggio, understanding that bridge. So that passaggio is in between. Now, the mistake people do is that from their chest voice, they're trying to push or slam into their head voice without acknowledging the mixed voice. That is where you now blend both your head and your chest. We have the chest dominant mix and the head dominant mix. In the chest dominant mix, that means you have more of your head voice, the more of your chest voice in it, and then the head dominant mix, you have more of your head voice in it. Like, for example, you do, hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. And then if it's the head dominant, it will be something like, near, far, wherever you are. You see the difference between the two of them? One is more of the head, one is more of the chest. But you need to know how to blend these two so that when you are in your mixed, it sounds great. So when you're in your chest and you want to go further, you just enter into the mix. And then if you now need to go further, you now enter your head. Now, there is a trick that we share to our students that they actually use, and nobody will know that they can switch to that part. Like there was a girl who found it so difficult to sing high notes. She had high ranges, actually, she could sing high notes, but every time she tried singing high notes, she used to have headache, she used to have pain, and it would be so evident that she sang high notes. So I reached out to her and we had a class at Graciedion Media. And when she took one of our classes, especially the one that helps you to be able to assess high notes, she was shocked at how easy it is to sing the high notes. So what did she do at that part where your voice cracks? The simple trick that you're going to do is just by lifting your eyebrows. Lift your eyebrows. Once you lift it, you do not push or force into that next register. So for example, never, wherever you are, I believe that the others go on. You see that? All right, let's try the chest dominant mix. You are here, moving in a mess. I worship you. I worship you. Let's try another song, Oceans. Spirit, let me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you will call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger whenever you will call me. Something like that, you see? See? Just a simple trick. And then people will be hearing you like, what? How was you able to sing that song and sing it with ease? Or you're able to switch. Someone. Did you see what I did? Someone over the rainbow. See it. So just with this simple trick of lifting your eyebrow, you'll be able to smoothly transition to the next register. So guys, I want you to try it now on the song that you've been singing that is really so high for you. And just lift that eyebrow there, relax, and sing through. And you will notice how easy and how sweet it is. If you want to learn now, you notice how sweet and smooth it will be. But there's something you need to know, that anytime you sing, you need to engage your core muscles. You need to breathe from the right breathing muscles. And I have created a video that will help you to engage these muscles and sing effectively. If you want to be able to do that, watch this next video.